guide life by distrusting our instincts, and had to think about it, and had to purposely arrange and discipline and push our lives around in accordance with foresight and words and systems of symbols, accountancy, calculation, and so on. And then we worry. Once you start thinking about things, you worry as to whether you've thought enough.
Grab a hold, take my hand and follow me. Where we're going, there are things for the eye to see. When you're over there, you'll feel it all around. I'll come through, all the love for you. There ain't a thing that will frighten you. This peace of mind flooding all over you. When you whistle loud, the clouds will spin to sound. Over and around, it shakes all of the proud.
Tonight is just one of these nights where you just don't even know where to point your camera, because any direction you look, it's just constant. This is gonna make for just some really good time lapses. But I've never seen anything like this, especially since Mother Nature is just handing it to me on a silver platter, just hand feeding me. And it's just constant, and it's been this way for almost an hour. I've never seen anything to this extent. It is unreal. Still remaining constant. Also getting a little bit of rain too. It's just constant. Quick little update. It's finally now starting to pretty much pour at this point. The same amount of lightning still, I would say, but most of it is in the clouds still. But it is now starting to become a little bit more windy consistently with a lot of rain. So, camera battery isn't dead yet. Won't be for long. My camera is on the last life of battery, but there's a lot of CG heading this way. See if playing lightning will show it, but you'll see my finger. That's where most of it's going now. So at this point, I'm trying to get some last couple shots. I did get one really good one that I'm definitely gonna keep. Ooh, I don't know if I had anything, but it's definitely getting much more windy. Moved the camera to a different spot. I was actually kind of using my body to kind of shield the rain off of it, and I'm all cold and wet, and I know there was something over there, and I'm positive that I got it. I saw another one right off the bat there. A lot of stuff kind of happening over there too, but I can't focus on moving the camera too much because the amount of battery I have left now is just, it's not worth it. So I'm literally in lockdown mode. look over to your left, that's a rain shaft. I think so. I have no idea. It's getting a little windy. I think that's a rain curtain. You see how it's getting a little foggy down there? That's actually not fog. I think that's an actual rain curtain. Alright, let's stand back a little bit because the waves are now a little bit bigger. Just think. What? No, that's. Nah, I'm not gonna go. Fine, I'll go that far. And that's. I would imagine that's how a hurricane gets its.
The water is warm.
I'm
Sand. You feel how warm it is?
Yeah.
That's so weird. Is that water?
Possibly, I have no idea. Yeah, it does feel a lot warmer than usual. And waves are definitely a little bit bigger than they typically are. Not much bigger, but definitely like a noticeable difference.
Okay, this is too much rain.
Too much rain? No. This is nothing. So I'm heading back onto the beach. My sister went up because she was in like the rain. I'm about to head outside and about to get some more videos real quick. I think that paper's out of date. They may want to redo that. Like a wind tunnel. That is a wind tunnel. I have to go back up because it is so hot and humid out that the sensor on my camera is actually fogged up, and every single time I try to take a picture or photo, you can see nothing but just like the fog. So I'm going back up to get a couple videos and we'll see how they turned out. Even the camera on the phone is a little bit foggy.